Hey everyone, imagine you're driving on the highway and suddenly your car struggles to shift gears. It feels like the transmission isn't working properly, and then, bam, the check engine light comes on. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and it shows P0893 transmission component slipping. This means your transmission isn't engaging properly, which can lead to serious damage if ignored. In this video, I'll explain the exact sensor locations, causes, and step-by-step fixes for P0893. Let's dive in. DTC P0893 means that the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected excessive slipping in the transmission. When the clutch packs or bands slip too much, it causes poor shifting, overheating, and potential transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0893: hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping under acceleration, check engine light on, overheating transmission, and poor fuel efficiency. Sensor and component location, very important. Transmission Input Speed Sensor, ISS. Location, found near the front of the transmission, mounted on the transmission housing, usually close to the torque converter or input shaft. Transmission Output Speed Sensor, OSS location, located near the rear of the transmission, measuring the output shaft speed. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, typically mounted on or near the transmission housing. Some models have it inside the engine bay fuse box or behind the dashboard. Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor location, found inside the valve body, near the transmission pan. Helps measure hydraulic pressure inside the transmission. Always check your vehicle's manual for exact sensor locations. What causes P0893? Low or contaminated transmission fluid, worn-out clutch packs or transmission bands, faulty sensors, damaged TCM or internal transmission wear. How to fix P0893. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid. Low or dirty fluid can cause slipping. Change or top up if needed. Step 2. Inspect the input and output speed sensors. If they're faulty, replace them. Step 3. Check the transmission bands and clutch packs. If worn out, the transmission may need a rebuild. Step 4. Test the TCM. Use a scan tool to check for software updates or malfunctions. Step 5. Perform a test drive and reset the code using an OBD-II scanner. Ignoring P0893 can lead to complete transmission failure, so it's important to fix it as soon as possible. A slipping transmission isn't just annoying, it's a big warning sign that something needs attention. For more OBD-II error codes, check out these videos. This is IG Garage helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.